In this triangle, before going to the triangle, we should know what is polygon. What is polygon? A simple closed figure formed by line segments which is joining end to end. What is polygon? Simple closed figure. The figure should be closed and it should be joined with the line segment end to end. The line segment should be end to end. See, if I draw a circle, is it a polygon? No, because it is curved. Okay, it is not a line segment. What is line segment? A line which consists of two points. Line which consists of 2 points. See, which is starting from one point ending to another point is called as line segment. A line segment which is starting from one point and ending to the another point is called as line segment. Now, what is a polygon? Simple closed figure formed by line segment joining end to end. If I draw this one, it is a polygon because it is joining the line segment joining end to form a closed figure. Now, it is also a polygon because line segment joining end to end form a closed figure. Now tell me, whether is it a polygon? No, because it is not forming by line segment. It is not forming line segment. Now tell me, whether is it a polygon? No, because it is open. Here it is a polygon. It is a polygon. It is not a polygon because what is polygon? A simple closed figure formed by line segment which is joining end to end. A simple closed figure formed by line segment which is joining end to end. It should be with the help of line segment and it should be closed and it should join from end to end. It's called as polygon. It's called as polygon. Now, what is triangle? Simple definition. A polygon with three line segments. A polygon with three line segments. A polygon with three line segments. What is polygon? Simple closed figure. Three line segment. A polygon with three line segment is a triangle. What is triangle? A polygon with three line segments. Simple. What is triangle? A polygon with three line segment. A polygon with three line segment is a triangle. Finish. Now, triangle. I am giving the name for the triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. Now, what is vertex? Now we will see about the vertex. What is vertex? The points which rays or sides a polygon makes. The points where two rays or sides of the polygons meet. See here, what are the sides? AB is the side, BC is the side, and AC is the side. And what are the vertex? A, B, C. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 are vertex. Vertex. What are vertex in this one? VERTE. See, if it is getting more than one, it is called as vertices. If it is more than one, vertices of triangle A, B, C. What are the vertices? A, comma, B, comma, C. C. A, B, C are the meeting points. C. Okay. Now, sides. What are the sides? AB is a side, BC is a side, and CA is a side. Sides of triangle ABC. That is AB, BC, and CA. AB, BC, and CA are the sides. C. Now, sum of the interior angle of the triangle. Sum of interior angles of triangle. This is the short form to write triangle. This is the short form to write triangle. This is the short form. Sum of the interior of the angle of the triangle is how much? 180 degrees. It should be 180 degrees. It should be 180 degrees. It should not more than 180 degrees and it should not be less than 180 degrees. If it is getting more than 180 degrees or if it is getting less than 180 degrees, then it will not form a triangle. It will not form a triangle. Understood now? Now, what is the short form to write triangle? Short form to write triangle. This is the short form to write triangle. Now, vertex, the point where two rays are meeting, two rays or sides of the polygon, two rays or sides of the polygon are meeting, two rays or sides of the polygon are meeting. This meeting point is called as vertex. If it is more than one, it is called as vertices. If it is more than one, it is called as vertices. What is the sum of the interior angle of the triangle? It should be 180 degrees. How many angles will be in one triangle? There are three angles. It should be only three angles. There will be three angles in a triangle because see, 1, 2, 3. Three corners, three triangles. Three angles. Now, in the next video, we will learn about the types of triangle on depends upon the sides and types of triangle on depend upon the angles. Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.